If I told you lately that I love you, if I told you there's no one above you, fill my heart with gladness, take away my sadness, ease my trouble, that's what you do.
Can I say our edition in Belfast? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0!
As I look down these beautiful streets, I think how wonderful it will be for people to do their holiday shopping without worry of searches or bombs, to visit loved ones on the other side of the border without the burden of checkpoints or roadblocks, to enjoy these magnificent Christmas lights without any fear of violence. Peace has brought real change to your lives. Ladies and gentlemen, this day, I leave you with these thoughts. May the Christmas spirit of peace and goodwill flourish and grow in you. May you remember the words of the Lord Mayor. This is Christmas. We celebrate the world in a new way because of the birth of Emmanuel, God with us. And when God was with us, He said no words more important than these: "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall inherit the earth." Merry Christmas, and God bless you all. We cannot, and we could not, even if we wanted to, impose a peace on anyone. People must make their own peace from their heads and from their hearts. Between our two lands, that is our role, that will remain our role. The details, the direction, and the question of whether you will go forward, that, my friends, is all up to you. But if you do, we will be proud to walk with you. Thank you, and Merry Christmas.